All right, so this is kind of worst case scenario here. I just got sucked into this hole. The customer said it was wet here. I really had no idea, and you know, I came in on the side trying to do some cutting, and it just sucked me in before you knew it. I was trying to back out and it just got worse. And now this is where I'm at. I mean, the machine's really heavy with the cutter on it, so I see the weight, but I had no idea it was so soft. So I guess I'll just go get my pickup and chain up and see if I can get it out. This is crazy. Okay, well, wish me luck. Kind of the top of the
Have on the right.
size, and
Have on the right.
I reckon you can go with the equipment, more like more construction, or forestry, or you know, right, so got the skid steer out of this sinkhole, and I'm gonna come back here with the excavator and push this material back in, and then it's basically like a spring. And then I'll just cut a little channel for the spring water to run out down this way. Well, all right, it's not great, but it's better. A fair amount of water, that's for sure. You wouldn't know, you know, you just driving through, wasn't really paying attention, just got sucked in. But that's probably the worst I've been stuck with the Bobcat, for sure. Anyway, all right, that's cleaned up, so that's it. Just pick up tomorrow. Gonna take a look. Oh, that was deep. That's where I was stuck. Water's running pretty good. All right.